Am I pregnant? If that's a question you're asking yourself, there is really only one way to know for sure: by taking a pregnancy test. However, your body could be telling you might, in fact, be pregnant. If you are asking yourself, how do I know if I'm pregnant? Watch this if you can relate to any of these early indications. Number 1. Missed period. According to an American Pregnancy Association survey, approximately 29% of women claim their first sign of pregnancy was a missed period. Missing your period is a common symptom of pregnancy, and it often leads women to do a pregnancy test. You may notice some bleeding even if you're pregnant, but it will usually be lighter and shorter than your normal menstrual period. Number 2. Urinating frequently. A couple weeks after you conceive, you may have to urinate more. This is because of your pregnancy hormone HCG. This hormone causes an increase in blood flow to your kidneys, which helps them eliminate waste from your body more efficiently. As your uterus is growing more quickly, the pressure on your bladder is greater. The amount of urine storage space you have decreases, which causes you to urinate more often. Number 3. Swollen tender breasts. The same American Pregnancy Association poll showed that 17% of the women surveyed said their first sign of pregnancy was breast changes. When you're pregnant, you'll go through some hormonal changes early on that will cause your breasts to be sore and sensitive. They will also feel heavier and fuller as they swell with blood when HCG and progesterone start increasing in your body after the egg is fertilized. This is because your breasts are highly hormone sensitive after several weeks. However, this discomfort typically decreases as your body begins adjusting to these hormonal changes. Number 4. Nausea and sometimes vomiting. Nausea was the first pregnancy indication 25% of women experienced. Although morning sickness doesn't usually hit women until around a month of becoming pregnant, nausea is often felt earlier. It's thought that your pregnancy hormones are what cause nausea, but it isn't quite clear. Number 5. Spotting. Many but not all women notice a small amount of spotting that takes place during implantation, or when the fertilized egg implants itself into the uterus wall. Number 6. Fatigue and tiredness. You may start feeling tired or fatigued due to the extra progesterone your body produces when pregnant. This may increase your need for naps early on, but it tends to lessen by the time your second trimester starts. Number 7. Abdominal bloating. This rise in pregnancy progesterone may also cause you to experience abdominal bloating. You won't gain much weight during this time, but you may begin feeling bloated, which causes you to think you are gaining weight. Number 8. Cramping. The process of implantation can cause this symptom, but you may think the cramps are an early sign of your period. If you're pregnant, in addition to implantation, this cramping is when your uterus begins to stretch in preparation for the growing baby over the course of the next 9 months. Number 9. Nipple darkening. Nipple darkening is another early symptom of pregnancy. It's caused by your pregnancy hormones affecting the cells or melanocytes in your nipples that control the color. Your nipples may also grow larger and be more pronounced during this time too. Number 10. Sensitivity to smell. Your sense of smell may be heightened, making previously mild smells unappealing and strong. If you notice your sensitivity to smells is heightened and you are offended by certain smells you normally don't mind, this could be an early sign that you are pregnant. Number 11. Raised temperature. Your temperature also rises during pregnancy, and you can track it with a basal body thermometer. This is not always a surefire indicator that you're pregnant, since your temperature can rise for other reasons, but it could be giving you an advanced clue that you may be expecting. Number 12. Increased gas. Increased gas is also another early indication of pregnancy. It is very common in your first few weeks of being pregnant and can continue throughout your entire pregnancy. If you are not usually gassy, you might want to give this not so eloquent sign your attention. Number 13. Heartburn. Another early pregnancy symptom of pregnancy may be a change in your digestion, like heartburn. If you start feeling heartburn or a burning sensation in your chest after eating lunch at your favorite deli, it might not be that they changed up their recipe. It could be heartburn that is pregnancy related. A good way to tell if it is heartburn due to pregnancy is that this burning feeling may worsen when you lie down or bend over. Also, if you're not usually prone to getting heartburn, you may want to investigate. Number 14. Your eating habits are changing. If you notice that you're suddenly hungry all the time, or you are now wrinkling your nose to that once heavenly coffee aroma, it could be an early pregnancy sign. Many obgyns believe that changes in the appetite or food aversions are caused by your body's pregnancy hormones. So whether your appetite has increased significantly, or you find certain food scents to be nauseating or extra delicious, you may want to take that pregnancy test. Number 15. Feeling full. Feeling full all the time is a common sensation women experience early on in pregnant. This full feeling may come on before you miss your period. If you've never been pregnant before, you may actually miss this feeling. But, if you have been pregnant before and are actually trying to conceive, you may pick up on this sign right away. So, if you have experienced this fullness in another pregnancy and are starting to experience that same feeling now, you might just be pregnant. Number 16. Melasma. Your skin gets darker. During your early weeks of pregnancy, you may develop what is known as the mask of pregnancy. This mask is so called because your skin darkens around your upper lip, bridge of your nose, forehead or cheeks. Melasma usually presents itself on both sides of your face and is more common in women who are darker skinned. However, it can also be a sign of other conditions, so a pregnancy test will be your only true way of actually knowing if it's pregnancy related. Number 17. Headaches. Some women claim to experience headaches during the early stages of their pregnancy. Pregnancy-related headaches are due to hormone level changes. They don't change your vision and tend to affect only one side of your head. Number 18. Mood swings. You may be a little moodier than normal in the first stages of pregnancy. You're hungry, sore and tired and don't know if you really are pregnant or not. Meanwhile, your hormones are going crazy, and that can wreak havoc on your mood. While these are good clues as to whether or not you are pregnant, one thing to note is that many of these symptoms above are not only symptoms of pregnancy. They could be indications you are about to start your period, or maybe you are coming down with something. Or it could be that you are indeed pregnant. Thank you for watching this video. If you think this video is helpful for every pregnant woman, please share this video with them and your friends, and if you have any more questions, please feel free to comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.